Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to install Facebook app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It is same as Windows type Windows 7 also. For installing Facebook app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, you have to search Facebook login, then click past link Facebook login or sign up. You have to wait till fully load. After fully loading site, you have to click start, then install. After that, click install. Then right click on the Facebook icon, then pin to text bar. You are seeing that our Facebook app has been installed on our desktop. Now Facebook, you can go from here. You can pin it to start also. So double click on it. Now you're seeing that Facebook app is properly working. Now I'm going to showing you another step how you can install Facebook app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. Search Microsoft Store, then write Facebook app from the search bar. Type Facebook. Now you're seeing that Facebook app. Click on it. Then you have to click install. Wait a few seconds till fully complete. After installing, you have to click open. After app installed, you have to pin to text bar, pin to start, create a desktop shortcut. Or to start on device login, I am not clicking it, then allow. Now you're seeing that my Facebook ID is completely loaded. Here my password and Gmail ID is saved to my computer. That's why it's automatically loaded. You have to type your email ID and password to login. So that's all. Thanks for watching.